Okay, so let's why don't we so right now we're configuring the switch. The switch has been able to communicate with the router with the ping command. We are using the laptop. We use the laptop to configure the router. We gave the router an IP address on its interface G00, gigabit Ethernet 00, and we turned on that interface. We went to the we also gave it a name of R1, and then we saved those settings using the command copy running config startup config. Now we're on the switch, and we have given the switch an IP address, and we connected the switch to the router. The router is G gigabit Ethernet 00 or G00 interface to the switch's gigabit Ethernet G01 interface or gigabit Ethernet 01 or G01 interface. We pinged. Ping is similar to making a phone call from one device to another. We pinged the router. The router responded to the pings to demonstrate that there was success. And now, what I would like to do is give this switch a name of S1 for switch 1. In fact, let me just change the labels. So these are just labels here. If you left click inside of it, it's like putting a sticker on the switch. So this would be S1. And I left click here, this would be R1. In real life, we do put labels on network devices so that when you physically stand in front of it, you know which one you're looking at, because you could have maybe 6 or 7 on a rack, and it can get a bit confusing. So stickers and labels help as a tag label. So I'm going to go back into the laptop's terminal menu, terminal application here. Right now I'm in user mode, and I want to go to privilege exec mode. Instead of typing enable, the full enable, I can type N for short, EN. Sorry, this is user mode. Type EN for short, and it'll take me to privilege exec mode. And I want to go to global configuration mode, so I'm navigating to global configuration mode so I can change the name of this device. It's currently switch. I want it to be S1 or SW1. So conft or configure terminal. I'm in the switch's global configuration mode. I want to type host name, and following will be the name of the device, so SW1. That's what I want to use actually. And I'll hit enter, and now it's changed from switch to SW1. I want to save these settings, so I type exit to go back into privilege from global exit to go from global configuration mode to go to privilege exec mode, and I'm going to copy the running -config to startup config. Enter. Destination file name is going to be start config. Basically, question mark at the end to ask, are you sure you want to save it as this file name? By default, hit yes, or hit enter to say yes. And building configuration means it's saving. OK means it's finished and everything was OK. So now, what if I want to see? I'm going to actually update this label to show this SW1. If I want to see all the settings that are this device's configuration, not just type in show IP interface brief to see all the IP settings of the interfaces, or show interface status to see the status of what's connected or not connected. What if I wanted to see all the settings, every single setting on this device that is running? So we know we have running configuration and we have startup configuration. So I want to show the running configuration. What is this using right now? So type show in privilege exec mode, type show running config. Running -config. Show space running -config. Press enter. Okay, so this is where I type the command up here. This is